Hey, so you need to make $5,000 in 7 days. That's the topic of today's video. Hello there. Just gonna let you know, I'm not gonna sugarcoat anything. And the best part is you're not gonna be pitched a $10,000 coaching program right now, okay? So I'm gonna talk to you as if you're my best friend and you're sitting across the table from me. And there's gonna be no editing of this video. It's just gonna be raw and sending it to you. And just for proof, in the last 2 years, I've made $166,000 with just one client with method I'm about to share with you. And just for proof, you can see me hit refresh here. So the screen will refresh and see right now it's showing blank, and then it went to 166,000. So I do that so computer's closing. I do that because sometimes people post fake stuff, and they rent a Lamborghini and they show you how to make money online, and it's all BS. Okay. So let me tell you how you can make $5,000 in 7 days. That's the topic of the video here. And what you see on the screen here is I'm going to tell you, first of all, spoiler alert, it doesn't involve starting a social media marketing agency or like an agency of some sort. It doesn't involve you using paid ads. And it doesn't involve shaking your little booty on TikTok or anything like that. Okay. So it's basically a combination of digital marketing and proven digital offers. I'm going to kind of share with you this Venn diagram here of the sweet spot. And the end of this video, I'm going to share with you kind of the hybrid formula that will help you get a cash injection with what I call a high income skill, and then also future cash flow and recurring cash flow from digital offers. Okay, so I think it's gonna be fun. I'm gonna reveal more about that later. So, and also it doesn't involve doing uh, like just crazy stuff in order to get money, like nothing on OF or anything like that. So let's get to it. Okay. I love teaching, and hopefully you're going to be able to see everything. Got the black marker here, got a blue one and a green one. But basically, the 5K in 7 days, if my best friend came to me and said, Maria, I need to make this kind of money fast, what do you suggest? I want to make it online. Well, there's kind of a Venn diagram here to go through. And first of all, there's digital product offer that you should have. So, and I'm going to actually put the word proven in here. Hopefully you can see that. So preferably a proven digital offer, because it takes a long time, even though it works and brings you almost passive income. It takes a while to get your own digital offer going and stuff. So if someone, again, came to me and said, I need to make this fast in 7 days, I would take a look at how can you get your hands on a proven digital offer, right? And also then you need a sales system to convert online. And then this middle part here, in case you're wondering what that is you need the glorious lifeblood of any business is traffic, right? You need eyeballs on your stuff, traffic. So the way we get traffic is on social. Okay, I'm going to write that down here. Hopefully you can see it okay. Social and free, because paid ads do work, but that also takes time to optimize. So there's ways to get organic free traffic, like you're watching this YouTube video right here with me. And so it kind of involves doing stupidly simple videos. If you think you can post like 3 videos a day, even like I know some of my friends on TikTok are posting 3 videos a day, like one's 7 seconds, another one's about 45 seconds, and then the third one is another 7 second one. And they're literally making like $900 paydays every day, $1,000 days. And so imagine if you're making $1,000 a day within 7 days, that's $7,000, right? So this diagram kind of shows you the sweet spot here, where the money is. Like you want to have a combination of all these three things. There's sort of a fourth one that's an outlier, but it involves the hybrid model that I wanted to tell you about, and that is, let's see if I back up here, a high income skill. Okay, so if you look at what you already know, you'll be surprised that there's probably something that you could offer to help someone with. Or you can learn a high income skill within a day, for instance. And the way I made my first $5,000 online, and this is dating myself because this is well over 15 years ago, I actually built a website for a real estate agent for, are you ready? $5,000. There you go, there's $5,000. And I went to networking events like the Chamber of Commerce in my town. At that time, I was living in Las Vegas, and met people there and said, hey, I'm willing to build websites, social media, online branding presence for you. And that's how I landed that first client. I'll always remember that. So, and then I taught people how to do that themselves. So it's kind of a proven digital offer. Okay. So the thing I want to talk about though, and at the end of this video, or even right now, heck, I'll spill the beans. If you want access to 100 digital offer niches that can make you up to 2K plus a month, or even in 7 days. I know it's not 5K, but if I figure you can teach yourself how to make $2,000 online, then you can make the next 2,000, the next 2,000, next 2,000. Before you know it, you're at 5,000, you're at $10,000 months, okay? But you could just click the link below. It's at fastdigitalwealth.com/100. Fastdigitalwealth.com/100. So, but because what you're going to see there is the 100 digital offers, then I'm going to show you access, if you want, to get to a digital product offers that are proven and convert, that are selling now, to a sales system that converts, like all the websites done for you. And then also how to do social traffic, whether it's YouTube, TikTok, Instagram. So I'm going to kind of erase this for a minute because I want to talk about what is the sales system to convert. And do me a favor, I've just kind of, oh, look at that. It actually sticks on here. Is that cool? I've just sort of revived my YouTube channel, and I'm a little nervous when I do these videos. Like, look, I'm already sweating here. I forgot to put the fan on. Let me know if this resonates with you. Let me know below if you want more videos like this where I'm drawing stuff out. But what the heck is a sales system that converts? Well, first of all, what it typically looks like is you basically have a page here where it's called a landing page where you could enter your email, right? So here would be one of your potential customers that can make you $5,000 in 7 days. Marketing online or digital marketing, they enter their email for something. Like for instance, I'm giving you the 100 proven digital offers. I'll just put DO here, right? Digital offer niches. And then when you enter your email, it goes to another page right here. This is typically your thank you page, right? And once this is set up, this is all automated. This is working for you 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. It's pretty amazing. So there's a thank you page, and typically on that thank you page, maybe a video of yourself or someone else that has kind of a video that is proven to work and sells someone into something. And so he has a thank you page, and then that person might click, watch the video, and then click, and then that takes them to what we call a sales page. So this is all an automated system, okay? So it takes you to a sales page, right? And that's where someone's going to say, yeah, I want that. And then when they say, yeah, I want that, they click on the button, right? Typically there's a button saying, I want this. And then they get taken to an order page, okay? And that's where, we have the lovely cha-ching, cha-ching, people making money, okay? I might even draw that in green here, right? So that's where you have customers, right? You have customers that are happy, they bought your product, and it's all happening, whether you're out for dinner, whether in my case, I do a little bit of caregiving for my 88-year-old mom. And I actually, while I'm out, taking her out for lunch or something, I will get a sale of like $900 that comes in here. So it's pretty cool. It's all automated. That's the point I'm trying to make. It could be while you sleep. You could be while you're eating, while you're playing with your kids, while you're working out, going for a walk with your doggy, or walk on your own if you don't have a doggy. And I have a Bernedoodle, 80 pounds. Oh my God. But anyway, back to this. This is kind of your automated system, but it gets even better. Are you ready? So how do you follow up? Like in the old days before the internet existed, you used to have to send a real letter to someone, or you'd have to phone someone, or you have to go to meetings all the time and try to get business. But here, because they entered their email, this email goes into kind of like a database, if you will. Can you see that okay? Yeah. So it goes into a database. All these emails are in here, right? And then you can set this up all automated to send an email a day. And what does that email a day do? Well, it nurtures with your future client. It educates your future client. And, when you connect with people that join your list, because this is one of the most valuable assets, by the way, that you'll build in your digital marketing business. When people start opening the emails and seeing what you got, because you're going to maybe always take them back to the sales page here, or maybe to a video, because maybe there's a video here as well in your sales page, but you're always reminding them that, hey, have you bought this thing that can, change your life and help you achieve the goal that you promised? Like, because obviously in this case, 100 digital offer niches that are proven to work. When people get this, they're obviously interested, that person, in selling online. So it's all aligned. So this is kind of a whole automated system here that you can use to convert. And so, having said that, that you can set up yourself, or you could hire someone to set all that up for you, which costs thousands of dollars. Like someone who comes to me to set all that up, including the emails and the copywriting, that adds up upwards of $20,000 now, right? So how can you get this for far less? Well, listen, for just like less than a Starbucks a day, you literally can. And all you have to do is go to, I'll just come up to you and talk to you eye to eye. You just go to the link below to check it out. There's no obligation. Just, check it out, and then you'll get the download of 100 digital offer niches that are proven to work. And also, if you like this video and you want to see more, just go ahead and hit subscribe or like. Let me know that I'm on tune to giving the value that you're looking for, trying to figure this whole digital marketing online thing out. And without further ado, thank you for staying to the end of this video. I really appreciate that you stayed this long, watched this. And again, this is raw and uncut, so I'm not going to edit this. So you can see my finger going up and hitting the stop button. I'm recording this on my iPhone. Super simple, easy. This little whiteboard is from like Staples or like an Office Depot near you, and good old markers. So that's all you need to get going in your digital marketing business. Is basically, you don't even need this. It's just an iPhone, right? Anyways, love and light to you. Hope you're having a great day. Cheers.